Hi guys, welcome to my channel and you're watching Simple Living PH. Want some coffee? Today guys, we're going to make a bamboo mug like this one, and it's very unique to have some bamboo mug and to have some coffee with the bamboo mug. Coffee is life. So come on guys, let's get some bamboo there and to make our mug bamboo. So guys, as we prepared our materials that we're going to use, this saw, sandpaper, and this is the only available sandpaper that I have, so you can use it. And I think with hammer or maybe not, let's just see what we can do. And a driller. And I would like to thank to Ivan, my friend, to letting me use his driller, because I just borrowed it to him. Thank you very much, Ivan, and hope to be with him soon. We will make another chicken cage, because this time he is so busy. So maybe soon we can be together again and make some video again. And this is the bamboo that we have here now. As you can see, it is so thick bamboo. This can be used as a mug, as I imagine it. As you can see, they're almost the same size. See guys, it's much bigger. Well, it's more better. So let's go guys. So we must follow this size of the drill pin. As you can see, we make a hole on this handle, and also to the mug, also the same size. As you can see, at least we can fit the stick here in the hole. We also use this bamboo stick. So now, as you can see guys, we will just going to cut this stick and measure it on the thickness of the mug. Just make sure guys that the drill won't go through the back of the mug. You just have to fit them. So as you can see guys, it's already fit. Even though we do not yet put a glue or this super bond, as you can see, it's enough to hold the mug. But we still gonna put the glue or band to make sure that this handle won't separate to the mug. Alright guys. And we're going to put the glue now on this stick. guys, we are finally finished in making our first bamboo mug that we have made, and this is my first time to made some of these bamboo, and it's actually looks like a beer mug because it's big. You can also use this, guys, as a display. You can put it in your living room or in your room. Yes, actually this idea is not from me. Actually it is from my uncle Allen. Yeah, thank you for the suggestions of how to put this handle so it may not separate to this mug. So actually the idea of this handle is a very good idea, because as you can see it earlier, even though we did not yet put the bond, the glue, it almost have the strength to hold this mug, but we still put the mighty bond, so we can surely that it will not separate to the mug, as you can see, guys. By the way, shout out to John Villamora. Yan, shout down. Thank you for following us here in this channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like. So please subscribe, guys, and if you have any suggestion, you can comment down below. And hope to see you in another video, guys. So bye bye and God bless us all.